All right, love bugs, part 2 of our math lesson. If it goes over a little bit past 9 o'clock, that's okay. We're going to keep rolling. You need this identifying fractions worksheet passed out to you, and you need to put your name on it and flip it to the side where it starts with Susie's mom baked 12 cookies. So the sub can pause the video till everyone's able to get this worksheet and put their name on it. All right, so we're going to look at this together. I'm going to have you draw the picture by yourself and answer it by yourself, but this is kind of new fractions with word problems, so we're going to do a lot of this together. So here we go. I'll read it for us. It says, Susie's mom baked 12 cookies. Susie ate 3 for a snack. What fraction of the cookies did she eat? So my first box I need to fill in is, what is this problem asking us? What does it want us to figure out? So I'm going to have the sub pause the video and pick one person to tell what they think this problem is asking. Go ahead and pause it. All right, the correct answer would be that this question is asking us for a fraction of the cookies that were eaten. So under what is this problem asking, I'm going to write fraction eaten. Okay, yum, cookies. All right, so copy that down as well. Fraction eaten under what is the problem asking. Okay, instead of writing a number sentence, we're gonna do our known and unknown chart in this section, okay? So you see draw a picture, then write a number sentence. Put your finger in the box that says write a number sentence. Put your finger there. See if your neighbors got it right. Awesome. All right, so here we go. We're not going to write a number sentence. We're going to make our known and unknown chart here. All right, so we know she baked 12 cookies. There's our total. So I'm going to write total equals 12. You need to copy this down. We also know that she ate 3 of them. So I'm going to write 8, 3. What do I not know? I don't know the fraction eaten. Okay, make sure you have this copied down. The next part you should be able to do by yourself. First of all, we're going to cross out how did you solve the problem. I'm not going to have you worry about writing to answer that. You are welcome. But what I want you to do is, the sub will pause the video, I want you to draw a picture. So draw out those 12 cookies. You could shade or you could put an X through the 3 that she ate, and then in answer, you're gonna have to write the fraction. So your fraction, it'll be the total number of cookies on the bottom and the number of cookies she ate on the top. So you're drawing the 12 cookies here, either shading in or Xing out the 3 that she ate, and then writing that as a fraction in the answer spot. So the sub can pause it, give you about 3 minutes to do this, and then press play again to see the final answer. So sub, please press pause. All right, party animals, so here we go. Your picture it might look different than mine, it might look the same. I'm gonna make mine a box because I'm used to seeing fractions in rectangles. Okay, 12 is my total. I gotta make sure that there are 12 parts. This will be like 1 cookie, 2 cookies, 3 cookies, 4 cookies, 5 cookies, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, oopsies, 11, and 12. Or you might have drawn out 12 circles. As long as you have a total of 12, that's good. So let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I need to shade or X out the number that she ate. Okay, well it said she ate 3. Uno, dos, tres. Okay, so you could have had it bars like this. You might have drawn 12 circles, shaded in 3, crossed out 3. Here's where we're looking how to write this as a fraction. So the number she ate is my numerator or top number. I know she ate 3. That denominator or bottom number is the total cookies. Well, she had 12 total cookies. So, in the answer box, you should have 3/12. All right, we're gonna flip this bad boy over. We're looking at number lines. We did this a couple weeks ago. Remember, there's 2 strategies you could use. You could either draw a rectangle below the number line and draw the tick marks down to figure out the total number of parts, okay? Or you could do the little humps above. Boom, 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 and boom. So let's see, this one I can tell there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So I should know my total goes on the bottom, okay? And then you're trying to figure out the fraction of where that dot is. And I know the directions say cut it out, glue it, blah, blah, blah. Nah, y'all, we're not gonna do any of that fancy mess. We're just gonna write our answers on here. So you just need a pencil, no scissors, glue. If you have scissors or glue out, the sub needs to take points because you're not following directions. So, okay, here we go, back to our first one I'm doing with you. It's a total of 6, okay? So you either need to have this rectangle drawn below or the humps drawn above. I'll give you a couple seconds to do that so you too can see, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I'm trying to figure out what 6th is this dot at. So I could color it up to the dot and see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4 6. I could do it that way, or I could count the humps from 0 to the dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, what's gonna happen next is the sub is gonna pause this video. I want you to solve for what fraction does the dot represent in the next 3 number lines. Remember, you can either draw the boxes below or the humps above, and you can just write the fraction out to the side. I can write it here, write it here, I can write it here. So the sub's gonna pause it. If you get finished super quick and early, go grab some flashcards and study them for me. All right, so pause it please until everyone's ready to go over it. Okie dokie, love bugs. Let's see what we got. My favorite method is the hump method, so I'm gonna do it for this one. Let's see, there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9's my bottom number, my denominator. And I'm gonna go retrace my humps from 0 to the dot to see what the fraction the dot represents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so 6/9. Let's look at the next one. I'll do the box method for this guy. I'll draw my box underneath. Draw my lines from my number line down. Okay, there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. There's my denominator, my bottom number. And if I shade from the 0 to the dot, I see that I shaded in 2. So the dot marks the fraction 2/5. Last one. There's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 total parts. 4 goes on the bottom. From 0 to the dot, I take 1, 2 humps. This number line shows the dot at 2/4. All right, make sure your name is on this. I'm gonna have the sub pick someone to collect these guys, and she is going to clip them all together and put them on that back table for me. While she does that, I need one person from each group to pass out your art books from that middle drawer and get ready to read to self.